What happened, my boy?
It has been 2 days. You haven't said anything.
Why are you scared?
Please tell us, Garrett. Why aren't you eating?
What happened to you, Mark? Mark!
Hi, Henry. I'm Mark's dad. It's an emergency. Can you please come to our house?
Henry, what happened to Mark? He won't say anything.
He stays quiet all the time.
He doesn't eat. He doesn't talk to us.
He cries every night.
Please, Henry, tell us what happened. Uncle Tony. It all happened to Mark in the school.
See you later, Mark.
Yeah, see you.
Well, look who it is.
What do you want?
Hi, princess. We're your seniors. Bow to us.
Look at him, all alone. What's wrong, scared? Give me that!
Look at the loser, all wet and sad.
Yeah, what a crybaby. You gonna cry now?
Pathetic little kitty.
Stop it! Leave me alone! You think you can talk back to us? Get him! Pathetic loser!
I can't handle this anymore. I feel like I'm falling apart. Then talk to your parents. They'll help you through this.
No. They'll think I'm weak. I can't tell them. Only thing I can do is keep dealing with it myself.
So, that's what's been happening to Mark at school.
Why didn't Mark tell us sooner?
Because he thought you'd see him as weak.
He was terrified of disappointing you.
How could Mark ever believe we wouldn't understand him? We failed him as parents. Mark, why didn't you tell us sooner?
We're your parents.
You never have to suffer alone. Promise us, no matter what happens, you'll always come to us first. I didn't want to disappoint you.
I thought you'd think I was weak.
No, son. Nothing could ever make us ashamed of you. You are our son, and we will always protect you. And now, we're going to deal with those bullies together.
Bullying will never be tolerated in this school. You made another student suffer in silence.
Sorry.
This behavior ends today. Now come inside my office. Inside. Now.